Hello, welcome back. Today, I want to start talking about a few other videos that I'm going to be putting in this channel. I want to talk about my hobbies, and there's honestly not very many of them yet, I should say, but I will talk about one hobby in each one of my videos. So then today, my first one I wanted to talk about is, it's kind of a beginner's kind of sort of hobby, because I'm still kind of learning all the ins and outs of it, but that's okay. This hobby is 3D printing. Now, I'm not fully an expert at this. I'm not an expert at all in this area, but I do consider myself somewhat on the creative side. So I thought, you know what? What if I worked on a bit of 3D printing things, whether it be just random statues or kind of characters from movies and TV shows and things like that, just so I can say that I did it. Does that make sense? And so I started kind of figuring out how to do that. But then I started thinking, what if I made certain parts, for lack of a better term, you could say props. For example, I've said in other videos, and I will do another video in this part of my channel about this one, but I'm working right now on a fake head for a cosplay that I want to do sometime in the future. And usually, just what I do for the 3D printing, I find a pattern that's already been there. Hey, that looks cool. I want to print that. Okay, so I do. The program or the pattern is already there. I just have to load it and print it, and it's fine. What I had yet at that time to do, because I didn't know how, is make my own patterns. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that can do that, and they do that. I'm just a beginner, but I do like doing that. It's so much fun, because all you do is put the program on there and press print, and there you go. You just sit there and let it print. So what I've been trying to learn is how to create my own, and that's an interesting venture. I've been researching how to do things like that, but at least for me right now, it's a little on the difficult side, but I'm, like I said, researching and teaching myself how to do it. I have other programs on my computer that I can build my own patterns and turn them into the type of file that needs to be, so I can print it. And so right now I am working on that. I'm just barely learning how to design. I mean, I can see what I want in my head, but getting from my head onto the program for the printer is a bit, right now, awkward, kind of not quite there. Right now I'm in the process of building one, but I'm teaching myself how to do that, and sometimes it can be tough. Other times, oh, okay, this does this and this does this. Sounds good. So, yeah, I'm learning. It's kind of fun to learn how to do it. Like I say, it's fun just printing the stuff, but it's a sense of maybe pride. It's a sense of accomplishment. Hey, I can build my own things, and I can print my own things. That kind of makes me proud of myself. I'm not quite there yet. I'm not quite proud of myself of building my own things yet. But again, getting from my head, my ideas, down to actually done and printed, that's going to take me a little bit to learn. And I promise, once I can figure all that out, I will make my own and I will print them out and I will show you. I promise that. I will show you. And so, and you know, things like that, that's kind of, I don't want to necessarily say hard, but what I'm trying to get at is trying to find hobbies or just random things, projects to do. And I don't necessarily want to say I'm limited because of, this. And neither should you if you have the right mind and the right brains, because those are two different things, brain and mind. They're two different things. If you have those, you can do anything you want. It may take a little bit, but that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Yes, it may take a bit more, a bit longer than you wanted to, but if you stick at it and you keep focusing on a certain thing, you will figure out how to get it done, and you will get it done. And so with that hopefully inspiring message, I will leave you with that. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.